Hello children, a pleasant morning everyone. In the previous video, we already learned how to write the numbers by using digits. It means forming smallest and greatest number by using given digits. Am I right? Yes. Okay, let me ask some questions children. Tell me the answers to me. All of you look at the board. Here I am writing one number 2, 5. How to read this number? We read as 25. Shall I give one more? Come on, read this number. How to read this number? It is a 4-digit number. Sorry, 3-digit number. How to read this one? 407. One more example. Come on. How many digits here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally 4-digit number. This is a 4-digit number. How to read as 2379. Am I right? 2379. Suppose if I give more number of digits in a number, can you read easily? See here. Everyone try this one and say the answer to me. Can you read this number? If I give 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit number, you can read very easily because you know the places. Up to thousands, 10,000 place, we know very well. But if I give more number of digits in a number, can you read easily? When you read this number, you must and should know what are the places in this number you have to identify first. First of all, you have to recognize how many digits are there in a number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Totally 9 digits are there in a number. So, if you want to know the places, so then you read very easily. Okay, if they given any number, you know the place values, then you know how to read that number properly. Today, we are discussing about how to read the numbers by using two systems. It means the numbers are divided into two systems, Indian system and international system. Children, in the previous session, I already explained Indian place value chart. Am I right? Do you remember that? Once again, I want to recollect all those points. Listen carefully. The numbers divided into two place values. If you want to write the number, if you want to read the number, must and should you know the place value chart. So these numbers are divided into two place value chart. The first one is Indian place value system. The second one is international place value system. International place value system. Now tell me children, Indian place value system. In the previous session, we already know Indian place value system. Am I right? So, this system mostly it is applicable all over the India. International system, this system is applicable all over the world. So many countries are used this one. Our Indians are used this Indian place value system. Understand children? Now, in Indian place value system, how many places are there? What are those places? I want to recall once again. Okay, look at the board. In Indian place value system is also known as Hindu-Arabic system. In Indian place value system is also known as Hindu-Arabic system. Now coming to here, international place value system is also known as English system. English system. You have to know both the names. In Indian place value system is also known as Hindu-Arabic system, and international place value system is also known as English system. First of all, I want to explain Indian place value system. After that, I will explain international place value system. Let us see the board, everyone. In Indian place value system, how many places are there? Tell me, everyone. In Indian place value system, how many place values? Yes. In Indian system has totally 9 places. Indian place value system is also known as Hindu-Arabic system. Hindu-Arabic system. Okay. In Indian systems are having 9 places. In Indian systems are having 9 places. Let me know how many places, what are they? I am writing on the board. Listen carefully. Ones or units. The first place, ones or units. Next one, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. After that, crore. The last place is 10 crore. Am I right? Yes. How many places are there in Indian place value system? 9 places. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Isn't it? Okay. So, these are the 9 places are denoted by the letters. Let us see. Ones. In the ones place denoted by the letter is O. Tens, T. Hundreds, H. Thousand denoted by the letter? Yes. Thousand denoted by the letter TH. 10,000, it means TTH. Lakhs, L. 10 lakh denoted by the letter TL. Crore denoted by the letter C. 10 crore denoted by the letter TC. These are the notations of all these places. Am I right? Now, these are the 9 places are divided into 4 groups. Tell me, these are the 9 places are divided into 4 groups. It means periods. What is meant by periods means nothing but group of number. Okay? These are the 9 places are divided into 4 groups. It means 4 periods. Periods means group of number. Why all these 9 places are divided into 4 groups? It means 4 periods. Because when you are writing the number, in standard form or expanded form, you have to know the groups. Okay? So, in between the groups we insert the commas. these 9 places are divided into 4 periods. Okay. Now, ones, tens, hundreds. Let us see here. Ones, tens, hundreds. These 3 places comes under ones period. Okay. These are the 9 places comes under ones period. These are the 3 places. Ones, tens, hundreds. These 3 places comes under which group? Ones group. It means ones period. Okay. Next, coming to here. Here, what are the places? After hundreds, thousand and 10,000. These 2 places comes under thousands period. Thousands period. Now, after that, lakh, 10 lakh. These 2 places comes under lakh period. Next one and last one, crores period. In crores period, how many places are here? It has 2 places, crore and 10 crores under crore period. Now you understand, children? In Indian place value system, totally how many places are there? 9 places. All these 9 places are divided into 4 periods. It means when you are writing the number in standard form or expanded form, by using these periods, we insert the commas. It means, see, ones, tens, hundreds. These 3 places are in ones period. After ones period, we insert the comma. Thousands, 10,000s. After 10,000s, we keep comma. It means the thousands period is completed. That's why I put comma here. Lakhs, 10 lakhs. After we keep comma. Here, lakhs period is completed. According to the as per the periods, we insert the commas in between the periods. Now you understand, children, why these all the 9 places are divided into groups? To insert the commas easily, you read the number easily, to expand the number easily. That's why these are the 9 places are divided into 4 periods. Understand, children? Now, I want to explain international place value system. Everyone remember how many places are there in Indian place value system. After that, I will explain international place value system. If you understand this Indian place value system, then you easily write international place value system. In the ones period, how many places are here? Ones, tens, hundreds. In the ones period has 3 places. Thousands, 10,000s. After thousands period, it has 2 places. Lakhs period, it has also 2 places. Crores period, it has also 2 places. One thing you have to observe here, in the ones period only 3 places, remaining all the periods has 2 places. Now you understand, children? Okay, once again I will recollect all these points. In Indian place value system is applicable all over the India. Indians have used this place value system. In this Indian place value system has 9 places. These 9 places are divided into 4 periods. What are those 9 places? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore and 10 crores. Okay. So, ones, tens, 100. These 3 places comes under ones period. Understand, children? After thousands and 10,000, these 2 places comes under thousands period. Isn't it? Next, lakhs and 10 lakhs. These 2 places comes under lakhs period. Crore and 10 crores. These 2 places comes under crores period. So, as per the periods, we insert the commas while we are writing the standard form and expanded form. We put commas in between the periods. See, ones period, if you complete after ones period, keep a comma. Thousands period after, keep a comma. Lakhs period after, keep a comma. From right to left, to check the numbers and put a commas properly. Okay, now I am going to explain international place value system. So, in international place value system, it is applicable all over the world. Many countries are used this international place value system. International place value system also has 9 places. See, international place value system. This international place value system is also known as English system. Okay. This international place value system also are having 9 places. Everyone look at the board. Now I am writing all the 9 places here. Okay. Once. The first place is once. Is also known as units place. Units place. Next one, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. In Indian place value system, after 10,000, which place we get? Lakhs. But in international place value system, after 10,000, we will write 100,000. What we have to write? 100,000. Now, after 100,000, now we will enter to the millions. What is that? Millions. Millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. And 100 millions. Once again, everyone look at the board and listen carefully. In international place value system also has 9 places. Those are ones or units, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, after 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. Okay, isn't it? In international place value system is also known as English system, having 9 places, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. Okay, you have to remember all these places. So, if you know this place value chart, then you can write, then you can identify the number in Indian place value system or international place value system, then you know very easily. Understand, children? Okay, let us see. Ones are tens. These all the places are denoted by the letters. So, ones are units denoted by the letter O. Tens denoted by the letter T. Hundreds denoted by the letter capital H. 1,000 denoted by the letter TH. 10,000 denoted by the letter TTH. 100,000 denoted by the letter 100 capital H. 1,000 TH. And million denoted by the letter M. 10 million denoted by the letter TM. 100 million denoted by the letter HM. These are the letters or the notations of these 9 places. Understand, children? Okay. Let us see. These are the 9 places are again separated into 3 periods. In Indian place value system, 9 places are separated to 4 periods. But in international place value system, the 9 places are divided into 3 periods. It means 3 groups or periods. I already explained period means group of number. Okay, listen carefully. How to separate these 9 places into 3 groups. Ones, tens, hundreds. See, ones, tens, hundred. These 3 places comes under ones period. Okay, these 3 places comes under ones period. Okay, so the ones period has 3 places. Once we have to compare Indian place value system and international place value system. You already know Indian place value system. In Indian place value system also has 3 places in ones period. Here also 3 places in ones period. There is no change at all. Now coming to here, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. These 3 places comes under which period? Which period? Under 1000. Yes, 1000 period. So in 1000 period has how many places here? Yes, you are right. 3 places are there. 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay, isn't it? Next one coming to after 100,000, millions, 10 million and 100 millions. These 3 places are comes under which period? Yes, million period. Million period. Once again everyone look at the board. Okay, the 9 places are divided into 3 groups. So, ones, tens, hundreds. These 3 places comes under ones period. Now, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. These 3 places comes under 1000 period. Million, 10 million, 100 million. These 3 places comes under million period. It means in international place value system, the 3 periods has 3 places. Isn't it? Do you observe here? All the periods has 3 places. In the ones period, ones, tens, 100, 1000 period, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million period, million, 10 million and 100 millions. But in Indian place value system has 4 periods. Those are ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period. But in international place value system, 3 periods. Ones period, thousands period and millions period. Now you understand, children? There is a small difference. Let us discuss about what are the similarities and what are the differences in Indian system and international place value system. Okay, look at that. And also we discuss about the place values of Indian system and international system. Okay, children, now you understand Indian place value chart and international place value chart. In the next session, we will discuss about the place values of the Indian system and international system. Okay, children, we will meet again.